Welcome to this video about the ABB Ability Building Analyzer. In this video, we will look at the meter comparison view, the time period comparison view, and the rolling 12 months view. The meter comparison view lets you compare two or more meters in the same time period. To do this, select Meter Comparison View from the main drop-down menu. You will then be prompted to select two or more meters from the sight tree. You can deselect meters by clicking them once more, or you can remove them from the comparison by clicking the Delete button next to the meter name in the summary table. One useful application is to select all the submeters. This can help you set priorities when deciding how to optimize energy efficiency. You can also select the chart type. Typically, the line graph makes it easier to compare multiple sets of data, but you can select other chart types as well. Let's now look at the energy usage of different sites. Here in the summary table, we can sort by total consumption. However, it makes little sense to compare the raw figures, as the sites are of different sizes. What you want to do is normalize the data. To do that, under Normalize, select the normalization factor. For electrical usage, for example, it makes sense to normalize by building size. Now we have the data in kilowatt hours per square meter, and we can have a fairer comparison of usage efficiency between the different sites. Another useful view is the time period comparison view, which lets you view a single meter's data over multiple time periods. For example, select Time Period Comparison View from the main drop-down menu. Select one meter that you want to view from the sight tree. Here we'll select the main gas meter. Then select two or more set time periods from the calendar. Here we'll select several years to compare. Just as before, you can sort the data in the summary table. Again, the raw figures cannot really be compared, as gas consumption in this building is only used for space heating and is therefore heavily weather-related, and outside temperatures fluctuate from year to year. It is therefore useful to normalize this data as well. To do that, under Normalize, we'll select Heating Degree Days, or HDD. Now we have a fair comparison of gas usage over the years, as the year with the greatest gas consumption may also have been the coldest year. Let's now talk about the rolling 12 months view, which lets you see a rolling 12-month series on top of your normal usage series. Select Rolling 12 Months View from the drop-down menu. Select the meter, then the period to view. You can type in the dates directly using the day, month, year format, then select the dates from the calendar. Here we have two sets of data. The scale on the left belongs to our normal usage, and the scale on the right belongs to this line here, which is the sum of the current month and the previous 11 months. So if we take April, for example, this data point in the line represents the sum between April of the previous year and April of this year.